Hello students. Here today we are going to see what is homologous series. It is derived from two words. The first word homo means same. Logos means functional groups. And series means sequence or an order that those hydrocarbons they follow. Now students, you know what are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the compounds that contains carbon and hydrogen. And those hydrocarbons makes the organic compounds. And organic compounds, they are divided into different families or groups depending upon their structure and chemical properties. And each such family or a group, you call it as a homologous series. To understand what is homologous series, let us take the classification of those organic compounds in alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. So to understand what is homologous series, I am taking the first one, that is alkane, alkene, and alkynes. Now let us see the first homologue of alkane, and that is methane. What is the formula of this methane is CH4. If I go below, this is your carbon 1, that is C1 compound, where the N value is 1. As the number of carbon atoms goes on increasing, means when I go to 2 carbon atoms, then it is called as ethane. And its formula is C2H6. Similarly, C3 compound, that is propane. So what is the formula here is C3H8. C4 compound, you call it as butane. This is C4H10. Now students, if you see the difference between the first and its successive or adjacent homologue, then what is the difference here? You will see the difference is of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen atoms. Means if I try to find the mass of carbon, then it will be 12 plus 2. So this comes out to 14 units. Similarly, when I move from this homologue to this homologue, you will see that the difference is again of CH2, and this follows. Now, if the second hydrocarbon differs from the first by a group of CH2, means they are belonging to the same family, and what we call them as homologues. Now, they are all following the same sequence with the difference of CH2 group or units, and therefore we call them as homologues of each other. Students, what is the general formula for alkanes is CN H2N plus 2. Now, if you try to move on to the other hydrocarbons here, now I am not writing. So let us come to the 10th hydrocarbon, what you have. And that is C10 compound. So it will be decane. So what will be the formula here? So this value I will put in place of N. So what will be, or how you can do the calculation? It will be Cn H2N plus 2. So it will be C. You have to substitute the carbon number atoms here. So it will be 10 H 2 into 10 plus 2. So it will be C10 H20 plus 2. So C10 H22. So what is the formula for decane, student, is C10 H22. And this sequence will continue. Similarly, you have methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. Now here I am taking only still carbon 10. You can continue by using uni, then deca, this type of words there, and you can give the complete sequence of the homologous series. Now, if I see the method of preparation for those particular alkanes, they are almost same. And so we say that their general method of preparations, they are same. General means the method of preparation is same for all the type of those. So they are a particular, you can say the members of a particular family having similar properties. They have similar physical properties like density, melting point, boiling point, refractive index. So they have the physical properties, same physical properties. They have the same chemical properties. Only depending upon as the number of carbon atoms will go on increasing, there might be some of the gradation in the properties, but almost the properties they remain same. So what we learn, students, they differ by each other by a group of CH2 and a mass of 14 units. They have same physical properties and chemical properties. Let us see the next group, that is alkenes. In alkenes, student, you have a carbon to carbon double bond linkage. And you know that if I want to form a double bond, the minimum requirement is of 2 carbons. And therefore, we don't have the first homologue, that is methane alkene group here. And so here we will not consider anything. The first homologue of alkene, it starts from ethane. So it will be C double bond C. So this is the first homologue that we call it as ethene. It is C2H4. Now, if you see this, number of carbon atoms and number of hydrogen atoms. So, number of hydrogen atoms, they are double of carbon atoms. So, what will be the formula here, student? So, they have a general formula, that is CnH2n. And on the same basis, you can move on to the next homologues. So, what will be here for C3? C3, it will be C3H6. That will be the second homologue. Similarly, for butane, it will be C4H8. But how I will name them, student? I will name them as this is your alk and this will be replaced by in. So as this is ethane, so this alk will remain same and in I will substitute here. So this is ethene, this is propene, butene and so on. So similarly, let us move on to again C10 compound. So what it will be, student? C10 and H20. Same way you can do the calculation. This is decene. So if you see that again here, this difference is of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen atoms. Similarly, the mass what they will differ is of 14 units. So they are homologue to each other. Now what will be the properties of those homologues? They all will have the same physical and chemical properties. Every homologue will differ by a group of CH2 and a mass of 14 units. Same will be for alkynes. Now let us see for alkynes. Now what is this alkyne? Is a C triple bond C. Means the minimum requirement here again is of 2 carbon and therefore we don't have any methane here as such. So here also it will start from 2 carbon organic compound and that is C triple bond C. How many hydrogens I will have here is C2H2. Now let us move on to the next one, that is propyne. So it will be C. At any location you can substitute the triple bond, so the molecule will be in this way. Now what is the compound which is formed here? Let me write the condensed formula. So it will be C3, 1 hydrogen here, so 1 and this 4, so C3H4. Now what is the formula for this, student? The formula for this is CnH2n minus 2. So this is for alkynes. So let us see for this type of compound here, that is, let us go for decyne and see what is the formula. So this will be C10, means here carbon is 10, N value is 10 here. Let us substitute in this. So it will be C10, H, 10 into 2 minus 2. So C10, H20 minus 2. So C10, H18. So this is the formula. Again, if you see the difference between the carbon and hydrogen from first to second homologue, it is of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. Let us try one more for butane here. So how many carbon atoms here? 4. So it will be C4, H4 into 2 minus 2. So it will be C4, H8 minus 2, C4, H6. So what will be the next one here, students? C4, H6. So we see the difference between this is again of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. And so the mass what will differ here is of 14 units. So simply without using the formula, what you can do is if you get the first homologue, simply go on adding CH2 to it to get the next homologue. Now this particular group will also have the same physical and chemical properties. So let us now see what actually homologous series means, or what is the definition of homologous series. So homologous series is a family or group of structurally similar organic compounds, all the members of which contain the same functional group, shows a gradation in physical properties, and they have the similar chemical properties, and any two successive means, student, adjacent members of which they differ by a CH2 group, and the individual member of such a series, that is called as a homologue, or the phenomena is called homology, and the series is called homologous series. Let us see the characteristic. Students, if this definition is little lengthier, then you can simply use that it is a group of structurally similar compounds, each member of which differ from each other or the preceding or the succeeding hydrocarbon by a unit of CH2. So that can also be one of the definition. So let us see what actually you can classify or make the definition as. It is a group of structurally similar organic compounds containing the same functional group and differing by each other by a CH2 group. So that is also called as a homologous series. Let us see the characteristics of homologous series. The first is all the members of a particular homologous series, they can be represented by a general formula. Like students, we have seen CnH2n plus 2 for alkanes, CnH2n for alkenes, and CnH2n minus 2 for alkynes. So they have a general formula for that particular homologous series. All the members of the given homologous series, they possess the same functional group. All alkanes will be classified in only alkanes with a general same formula. The successive members of the homologous series, they differ by a CH2 group, or you can say a mass of 14 units. The individual members of homologous series, they can be prepared by the same method. So we say that it is a general method of preparation, and that is same and developed for that series only. The physical properties such as I said, density, melting point, boiling point, refractive index of the members of the homologous series, they show a regular gradation with increase in molecular mass. And the chemical properties of the members of a homologous series, they remain same for all the homologues of that homologous series. Now students, like I said, for alkanes and alkenes, alkynes, we can change one of the functional group and we can form a similar series for the functional groups. Now let us say, for example, if I take a first homologue of that is methane, and I replace one of the hydrogen of this methane by any functional group, that is CH3OH. So I will form a new homologous series of alcohols. So for ethane, I will be having CH3CH2OH, the second homologue. The third homologue will be CH2CH2OH. Similarly, I will have CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and OH. So like we have methane, ethane, propane, butane, I will have methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, and so on. So now see, I have created a new homologous series. Now if I try to find the difference here, the difference will again be of CH2 and they will differ by a 14 unit mass. So this becomes a new homologous series here. So this is a homologous series of alcohols. And now here, the general formula, again we can create here. Now if you see, I have created this from methane, means I have created this from alkanes. So what was the formula for alkane, students? CnH2n plus 2. So what will be the new general formula for alcohols here? Will be CnH2n plus. Now one of the hydrogen I have replaced, means one hydrogen is less here, and instead I have added a functional group. So now it will be CnH2n plus 1 and OH group. Similarly, you can have aldehydic homologous series, you can have ketonic homologous series, but all the homologous series of that, the homologues of that series will have the same properties. So this is all about homologous series. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.